Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. We've got an exciting show lined up for you, with stories that will take you from the edge of our solar system to the distant reaches of the cosmos. Let's start with some fascinating news about a newly studied exoplanet called GJ3378b. This super-Earth is located just 22 light-years from us, making it one of the closest potentially habitable worlds to our own planet. What makes GJ3378b so interesting is its position in the habitable zone of its star, where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist. But here's the catch. Scientists aren't sure if this exoplanet has an atmosphere or not. Imagine a world that's similar in size to our own, but with surface conditions that could be either perfect for life or completely hostile. The uncertainty is what makes GJ3378b so intriguing. If it does have an atmosphere, it could be a thin, Earth-like layer that supports liquid water and potentially even life. On the other hand, if it doesn't have an atmosphere, the surface would be barren and inhospitable. The search for life beyond our planet is one of the most compelling questions in modern astronomy. As we continue to explore the universe and discover new worlds, we are getting closer to answering that question. NASA's planned Habitable Worlds Observatory, set to launch in the 2040s, will be able to take direct images of exoplanets like GJ3378b, helping us determine if they have atmospheres and potentially even biosignatures. The prospect of finding life on another planet is a tantalizing one, and stories like GJ3378b remind us that we're not alone in the universe. There are billions of planets out there, each with its own unique characteristics and potential for supporting life. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're diving into the world of space exploration and private investment. You might have heard that Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, is raising a whopping $10 billion in private capital, valuing the company at $130 billion. This move is seen as a significant step for Blue Origin as it seeks to compete with SpaceX in various areas such as launch services, telecommunications, and data centers from space. According to reports, Koichi Management is leading the investment with a $4 billion commitment, while large institutional investors are expected to contribute another $4 billion. Bezos himself will add $2 billion to the mix. This influx of capital is crucial for Blue Origin's ambitious projects, including its New Glenn rocket, which suffered a setback after a spectacular explosion in late May. The company has big plans, including delivering cargo and humans to the lunar surface for NASA and commercial companies, as well as launching its own mega-constellation projects like TerraWave Internet constellation. However, these endeavors require massive investments, and Bezos has reportedly grown tired of self-funding Blue Origin. By seeking private capital, he aims to limit his personal financial burden while providing the necessary funds for the company's growth. As we explore the ever-evolving landscape of space technology and investment, it's clear that Blue Origin is taking bold steps to stay competitive. With its newfound funding, the company will likely accelerate its projects and potentially challenge SpaceX's dominance in the industry. We'll be keeping a close eye on these developments as they unfold. Welcome back to Star Chat today. We've been exploring the wonders of our universe, and now it's time for our final story. You might recall a few years ago when astronomers predicted that an asteroid called Apophis would have a close encounter with Earth in 2029. Initially, there were concerns about the potential impact, but fortunately, scientists have confirmed that Apophis will safely pass by our planet. Apophis is a significant asteroid, about 1,181 feet across, and its close approach will provide a unique opportunity for astronomers to study it in detail. In fact, NASA has redirected its OSIRIS-REx spacecraft to visit Apophis in 2029, just as the asteroid is sweeping past Earth. This mission, now called OSIR-ISAPEX, will help scientists learn more about the asteroid's composition, shape, and surface features. The close approach of Apophis will also cause a slight change in its orbit due to Earth's gravity, shifting it from an Aten-class asteroid to an Apollo-class asteroid. This event is a must-see for astronomy enthusiasts, and scientists are eagerly awaiting the opportunity to study Apophis up close. As we look forward to this exciting event, let's not forget about the importance of monitoring near-Earth asteroids like Apophis. By studying these objects, we can gain valuable insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.